Fractions, Class 7. Definition of fraction. A fraction is a number that represents part of a whole. A fraction is a number that represents part of a whole. A fraction is written in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. So look at the example. So this one is the whole circle is one part, so we are divided it into 4 parts. So we have to represent shaded parts. Total parts are 4 and shaded portion is 1. It can be represented as, so total parts 4, so we have to represent one part, so it has represented as 1 by 4. So 1 is representing with respect to whole, so that is a fraction is a number that represents part of a whole. So here denominator is not equal to 0. This one is denominator. Denominator is not equal to 0 because if denominator is equal to 0, the solution is infinity. So that's why in fractions denominator is not equal to 0. Represent the shaded portion by using fractions. So here total 3 parts, 1 part is shaded, so we have to represent 1 divided by 3. Answer is 1 divided by 3, 1 by 3. Answer is 1 by 3. Look at the solution. Shaded portions equal to 1, total parts equal to 3. So fraction equal to shaded portions divided by total parts. Therefore required fraction is 1 by 3. Types of fractions: proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. So there are mainly 3 types of fractions: proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. So we have to look at first of all proper fraction. A proper fraction is a fraction. A proper fraction is a fraction in which numerator is less than denominator. Numerator is less than denominator. So look at the examples. 2 by 3, we are considering example 1. 2 by 3, 2 is less than 3. And in the example 2, 5 by 7, 5 is less than 7. So once again, proper fraction. A proper fraction is a fraction in which numerator is less than denominator. Improper fraction. An improper fraction is a fraction in which numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator is greater than denominator. It is exactly opposite to the proper fraction. Look at the examples. 3 by 2, 3 is greater than 2, and in the example 2, 7 by 5, 7 is greater than 5. Mixed fraction. A mixed fraction contains an integral part and a fractional part. A mixed fraction contains an integral part and a fractional part. Look at the examples. 5 1 by 2, 2 examples. 5 1 by 2 and this one is 2 5 by 7. In these examples 5 is integral part and 1 by 2 is fractional part. So in this example 2 is integral part and 5 by 7 is integral part. So look at here, 5 is integral part and 1 by 2 is fractional part. The important point is the fractional part should be proper fraction. The fractional part should be proper fraction. That means fractional part should be proper fraction. These are the types of fractions, main types of fractions.